Did you know the world almost had a completely different center of power, and we can trace the exact moment it was lost? In 1418, Chinese Admiral Zheng He commanded a fleet of over 300 ships, some nearly 5 times the size of Columbus's vessels. He sailed to the East African coast, where Swahili merchants traded gold, ivory, and exotic animals directly with Ming Dynasty officials. Both sides logged it. Both sides sent diplomats back. A Malindi giraffe literally walked through the gates of the Forbidden City as a gift. This was not a one-time visit. It was a compounding relationship between the two largest economies on Earth, and it was growing. Then China's emperor died. His successor banned ocean voyages, and within decades, Portuguese ships arrived on that same East African coast, this time with chains. Two civilizations that had been building something together were pulled apart by decisions made in distant palaces. So here is the real question. What does the modern world look like if those ships never stopped sailing?